Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Asian inspired style shrimp and ramen. Let's jump in. Okay guys, so let's start by making our broth first. I already prepped all my ingredients and I have some chicken back that I'll be using, but feel free to use whichever part of the chicken that you like. I have some shrimp shells, onions, scallions, ginger, shallots, and some garlic. I also will be using some chicken bouillon as well as mushroom seasoning, white pepper, and some soy sauce. So the first thing you want to do is add your chicken backs to some boiling water, and you want to boil them for about, let's say, about 10 minutes. Then we will drain the water, wash the chicken backs, and we will refill the pot with clean water, and we will start placing all the rest of our ingredients in here. We don't want our broth to be cloudy and filthy, so make sure that you wash everything real well before you add it into the second broth. I did wash my shrimp shells with vinegar just to make sure they're nice and clean as well. And yeah, that's it. All you have to do now is add all your ingredients, cover, and allow this to simmer on medium-low heat for about 1 hour or an hour and a half. After about 1 hour and 25 minutes, this is how our broth is looking. It smells absolutely amazing up in my kitchen right now, guys. But for the finishing touches, you want to taste this and make sure it suits your liking. If you want to add some more soy sauce or whatever, you can do so. I will add here some rock sugar. If you want to add regular sugar or omit the sugar, you can do that as well. And a few drops of sesame oil. And that will finish it off and make it absolutely amazing. You will turn the heat off and just go ahead and strain this. Next, we'll prepare our shrimp. Here I will add some seasoned salt and black pepper. Super simple. If you want to add regular salt, you can do that as well. We will mix well and set aside. You don't want to over season this because you don't want the taste of the shrimp to clash with your broth. So we'll keep it super simple. And before we get started with the shrimp, I figured I'd show you guys what kind of ramen I'm using, but any kind is fine. To a preheated skillet, you want to add the shrimp and just cook them for about 3 minutes, 1.5 minutes per side. You never want to overcook your shrimp. It's no fun eating rubbery shrimp. So once they're done, you want to just remove them and set them aside. Next, we'll prepare some eggs. So to a pot of boiling water, I will add my eggs in here, and you want to cook them for about 6 minutes. If you want them super runny, you can cook for 5 minutes. To the same water, I will add some baby bok choy. We will blanch them for about a minute just so they can soften up a bit. Then we'll remove them, and the last thing we will cook is our ramen. Now you want to cook the ramen to your desired texture, or just check the package instructions. And yeah, that's it. Now we will get ready to plate up. So we place ramen first, then I go in with my delicious broth. We'll add our shrimp as well as the baby bok choy. We'll go in with some Chinese bean sprouts as well as the egg, and top it off with some fresh green onions. And here you have it, my version of Asian inspired shrimp ramen. When I tell you this is amazing, it's my family's favorite. They love this stuff. It's so good, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.